Alright everyone, this is our last stop today. We're at menard. Hopefully we can see something new here.
Yeah, pick a sign, pick a sign.
Okay, as we enter the store, we don't put the silver songs are welcome. Alright, as we enter the store, what do we see here? Oh! What? They still have pretty much the same stuff here.
Not too many people have bought this map, so it looks pretty full.
It's pretty much the same stuff here as always. Wait, what's this?
Hey,
We got bank snaps. Some of them are open.
like it wasn't this whole section before. They've expanded the section. Look, they got 3 fireworks signs.
Oh yeah.
But it's still more of the same. We bought these already.
We bought the bigger one down there. But they should have more sometime.
Hot Mania. Well,
I think we'll come back next week.
okay.
They should have more towards the floor. They should have more of the solar impacts towards the floor. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Bonnie. Okay, I found this. It looks like a Halloween owl, but no, it isn't. This is decoration. Yeah. It's just style of, like plastic, thin plastic. This is a giant like playset over there. They're costing $2,380 for that.
No children allowed upstairs.
Yeah, right there. Okay, we're gonna go into the lift here. This is a club, I believe.
You're going to the lift?
Yeah. There's that loud and slow door again. 2. Don't close down the door here. No smoking. Capacity 4,500 lbs pounds. There's a clock right there. Oh wow, it's here too. No, Chicago tribute.
Getting ready for Sunday pictures.
Yeah. Okay, we're out upstairs. They usually have some clearance stuff up here, so like there's backpacks and stuff. It's back here is where the Halloween stuff is. They got some stockings for Christmas. Okay, so we're here upstairs. There's some playground balls over there too. Oh yeah, up there. There's some pumpkin carving kits. Right where the Christmas stuff is. Don't see anything too interesting here at the store. They do have some more interesting things at the other store, but they do have these. They're dead.
They got some trick-or-treat baskets.
Yeah, there's a kitty basket.
Purple and green.
There's some Pennywise inflatable mummy. This store doesn't seem to have a bunch of the Remax stuff like the other store did. There's a telephone up there. I own that. And there's like some ghosts up there. I can't reach up that high. I doubt it works. It looks like the phone or something like that. Yeah. But they mostly have Christmas stuff out here. Not as big. Christmas stuff is probably the biggest thing up here. I think we have to go this way to get back down.
What is up here during Halloween?
Well, they just move out the stuff out and move it downstairs.
Do they fill it with anything?
I remember they were empty when we were here one time when they had Halloween stuff.
Okay.
Here's some furniture. There's some other things down there too. We're gonna go back into the lift again. It's a wild door. It's a wild door.
Sure is.
Okay. There's some other things right there. You can see with the camera. There's some zeros and some Starlexes there. Here comes all the. There's a hole right there too. Wait, is that This is Belle. Door's gonna close in a moment. Alright, that wraps up for today's shopping trip. I'm gonna do another one next week, a week from today on next Saturday, to see what we can, if there's any updates here on a Target, and maybe go back to Hobby Lobby too. But it was kind of struggling to Target from there because there's a lot of police activity and traffic and stuff. But yep, that's it for today. See you guys soon. Bye.